Hot Wheels Boulevard is known for bringing premium quality models that celebrate car culture with incredible details, real riders' wheels, and all-metal bodies. And Mix 1A in 2025 lives up to this reputation, with 5 cars that each tell their own story in automotive history. Porsche 935 number 116. First up, we have the Porsche 935. The real Porsche 935 is a racing icon, specially remembered for dominating endurance races in the late 1970s. Known as the Moby Dick due to its elongated body and massive rear wing, the 935 became famous for its speed and groundbreaking aerodynamics. The Hot Wheels Boulevard version keeps the spirit alive with full metal construction, a striking white color scheme, and the details that make it stand out on any shelf. The Porsche 935 once hit over 220 miles per hour at Le Mans Lancia Delta Integrale, number 117. Next, we have the Lancia Delta Integrale. For rally fans, this car needs no introduction. In the 1980s and early 90s, the Delta Integrale ruled the World Rally Championship, winning 6 consecutive titles. Its boxy design, all-wheel drive, and turbocharged engine made it a beast on rough terrains. Hot Wheels has done a fantastic job capturing its classic rally look in this red edition, complete with real riders' tires that mimic its rugged spirit. The Delta Integrale won 46 WRC races, BMW M5 E34 won 18. Then we have the legendary BMW M5 E34. As one of the earliest M5 models, the E34 redefined what a luxury sports sedan could be, blending high performance with everyday usability. This car was known for its powerful inline-6 engine, offering both power and class. Hot Wheels brings it back with a clean, authentic look that showcases its sleek design, reminding us why the M5 is still an icon. The BMW M5 E34 was once the fastest production sedan in the world. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43, Rayon 19. Next up is the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43. This model represents the legacy of Toyota's famous off-road capability. Known for its reliability in extreme conditions, the FJ43 is a favorite for adventure seekers worldwide. The Hot Wheels version pays homage to its ruggedness with a yellow paint job and details that echo its durability, bringing the spirit of off-road freedom to this small-scale model. The Land Cruiser has been sold in over 170 countries. Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, number 120. Last but not least, we have the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, a true Italian classic. With a V6 engine and rear-wheel drive, this car was known for its speed and handling in the 1980s. It was even featured in the James Bond film Octopussy. Hot Wheels has captured its stylish design in white, complete with those signature Alfa details and a touch of European flair. The Alfa Romeo GTV6 was a popular choice for European touring car championships. Hot Wheels Boulevard Mix 1A for 2025 is a fantastic tribute to car culture. Each model represents a different part of automotive history, from track legends to rally champs and luxury sedans. If you're a collector, this set is a must-have. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite and why.